Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can master the smooth zoom and shake effect in Capcut. So whether you are editing for TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Reels, this easy step-by-step guide will help your videos stand out and grab attentions. So here I'm going to show you how you can create the zoom and shake effects. So first you can just add your clips or photos like this, and now you can start by adding animations uh to the clip. So you can start with the second clip in here, go to animations and add the swing bottom animation. Okay, this one in here. Add it and adjust the duration. So apply it to all of your footage. So after you add the animations, you can go to effects, video effects, and find the zoom lens effects. Okay, this one, add it to the footage like here. Click on adjust and make the speed and also the range to around 35 like this. Click on a check icon and now adjust the duration so it fits into the clips and duplicate it and apply it to other footage just like this. Okay, and now you can add another effect, so put it in between the clips just like this. Go to video effects and add the vibration flash. Okay, search the this effect, click on it and put it in between the clip just like this. Click on objects and choose all videos. Now click on adjust and adjust the speed to around 35 and set the rest to 100. Click on a check icon. Now you can just duplicate the effects again and put it in between the clip just like this. Okay, after that you are done. So if you have more footage, you can just repeat the steps. And so let's see the result first. Okay, so that will be the result for the zoom and shake effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.